Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making 3 fall-inspired kombucha flavors. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we're going to need kombucha ready for your second fermentation, pomegranate and cranberry juice, cinnamon sticks, cloves, pureed pumpkin, and apple juice. Our first fall-inspired kombucha flavor is apple spice with apple juice, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Start by filling your bottle with kombucha. Now add your cloves, cinnamon, and apple juice. Our next fall-inspired kombucha flavor is Cranberry Pomegranate. Fill your bottle with kombucha. Then add your juice. Our final fall-inspired kombucha flavor is pumpkin spice. Fill your bottle with plain kombucha. Then carefully add your cloves, cinnamon sticks, and pureed pumpkin. Be sure each bottle gets an airtight seal and let ferment for an additional 3 to 4 days for natural carbonation to form. I hope you enjoy!